Are you struggling to customize your asset output in Symfony? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to get the asset name in your Assetic output. And trust me, you won't want to miss this. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when your asset files are generated with names that don't quite fit your needs. Many developers face this issue, and it's completely normal to seek a better solution. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to customize the output of their Assetic files while keeping the asset name in the file name. They shared their code and the default output they received, which was not what they wanted. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the issue here? The default naming convention for Assetic outputs can be limiting, especially in development environments where you want clarity in your file names. Understanding how to manipulate these outputs can save you a lot of headaches. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will help you streamline your asset management even further. To customize the output file name while keeping the asset name, the user should start by modifying the output option in the Style Sheets block. This allows for a more tailored file name format. Next, to achieve the desired file name format in the development environment, the user should utilize the name option. This will help in generating a file name that includes both the asset name and the custom name. In the development environment, this setup will generate a file name that follows the pattern of the original asset name combined with the custom name. For example, it will look like myfile myputname1.css. Finally, the user should test the changes by clearing the cache and refreshing the page. This ensures that the new asset file name is generated correctly. Fun fact, did you know that Symfony was originally created to help developers build web applications faster? Customizing asset outputs is just one of the many ways it helps streamline your workflow. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to move away from Assetic for managing web assets in Symfony applications. They recommend using Webpack Encore instead. This tool simplifies asset management and is the preferred method for handling assets in modern Symfony projects. For page-specific JavaScript or CSS, the user points out that you can use the add style entry method in your webpack.config.js file. However, they advise using add entry to link to a JavaScript file and then requiring the necessary CSS from within that file for better practice. Here's a pro tip. Always test your asset outputs in both development and production environments to ensure everything works as expected. This can save you from unexpected surprises later on. And there you have it. You now know how to customize your Assetic output while keeping the asset name intact. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Symfony and web development.